Hi girls, it's that time of year again where we're making screencasts. Woohoo, fun, fun. Just wanted to show you how to get the data from the dismissal form. So if you click on the little grid and go to Forms, you only have to do this once and then it'll be in your Google Drive. If you go to Forms and go to the one, not our original one, but the one that you made for your class, and click on it. At the top it'll have responses. These are the number of responses that you received. You might have people who did it more than once, which is why you might have too many there, but that's okay. It doesn't really matter. Click on it and there's charts and stuff like that, but you don't really want that. What's worked best, if you go on the spreadsheet icon and click on that, you will see that all this information is here. The person's name. Don't worry about this part over here. These are timestamps. It's just from when they filled out the form. The names are here, the days of the week, and then you can do whatever you want with this. So if somebody has filled it out more than once, you can delete them. You can write it all down, but you can see like the first day of school, everybody's parent pickup. And then after that, I pretty much just have like one bus, one child care per day. Change the name of this to whatever you want it to be. As you see, I did dismissal for KF. And then that way, actually, I'm sorry, that might actually have come up that way because I see it's written like that. So never mind. But at this point, this will save in your, it'll save in your Google Drive under the name dismissal for probably KM or KS, depending upon if you named it something weird. Hope this helps, and can't wait to see you ladies tomorrow. Bye.